So we're gonna talk about this little grinder, okay, DF54. As you can see from here, I have a DF54 and DF64. Look at the size difference. DF54, 65. Obviously, you know what? Let's remove the bellow from the top here. They're taller. DF64s are taller and fatter as well. You know, fatter or wider. Okay. And the both comes with an anti-static as well. Anti-static is a plasma generator that give you less static. 54 millimeter flatbed versus 64 millimeter flatbed. Obviously, 64 millimeter flatbed, you're gonna have a lot more options. Okay, from SSP to DRC, a diamond-like coating as well. So you have a lot more option with the DF64. But DF54 is only about 229 bucks. The great thing about the DF54, they spent a lot of time to design it. Shout out to Joe. Joe and his team really thought through. And they come up with the simple things, okay, little things they did. So this is the dual SIM cup holder. Just a simple rubber piece. Okay, before, they're using like 3D print for their cup to hold, like so. I mean, they're fine, but it can be, you know, inconvenient, okay? But with this, just pop right in to the holder here, and just like that, okay? So this is a 54 millimeter dual SIM cup. Just say it right on the top, okay? That's it. And if you want to use, let's say 58 millimeter dual SIM cup, just like that as well. Very, very convenient. And I mean, hopefully, I think all the DF54 comes with this rubber piece. Okay, and hopefully he's gonna sell. You know, I know a lot of you bought DF64 before. Hopefully he can, you know, sell that separately as well. It'd be great. Okay. So anyway, so this is a really nice touch. Plasma generator, less static. 54 millimeter flat. Again, 229 bucks. So most people watching my channel, most likely you have Barista Express or Pro. Okay. Shout out to Bruce, just popped in as well. So you guys are accustomed to conical burr, the built-in grinder. They're fine. They're fine. Okay, it's not a bad grinder. But if you want to try something different, right? You don't want to spend too much money, but you want to try something new. You know what? I'm tired of flatbed, perhaps. You know what? I'm tired. I wanted something try new. This is a great option. Can beat the price, $229. Okay. I played with a lot of grinders before. If I'm gonna get one grinder for my house, I think this is it. I mean, you know, price is right. Pretty quiet as well. Hopefully you guys can hear it. Hold on. Okay. So this is a DF54. Let's go to DF64 here. Okay. So DF54 and 64. It's more heavy. Sounds very heavy duty, but yeah. And personally, I like the form factor as well. Grind size, step-less grinder, so infinite setting. Okay. And so I think this is really good match with your Barista Express. Okay, if you want to get a second grinder for that. You know, you could spend, you know, a couple $100 more, go with DF64, but if you're a casual coffee drinker, but if you want to try, you know, even filter coffee as well, pour over too. So this one, obviously, you can do pour over as well. Okay, you can do the pour over. Again, I think this is good match. Okay, good match for that. Okay, having said that, let's brew some coffee. All right. see that. Comes to temping pressure, just be consistent. Okay. Okay, I mean, as you can see from there, this edge, you're gonna see a lot of leftover coffee. All right. So we did the turbo shot. Okay. Yeah, we did the turbo shot there. But you know what? Let's give it a try. So definitely I need to adjust my grind size. Cheers, guys. It's quite pleasant. A little flat, right? The flapper, you know, give you that nice flat, cleaner taste compared to my conical, or not the balance, but more texture to it, more mouth feels to it as well. So it's different.